everybody, Jason Fairchild here with Guaranty RV. Today we're going to go over a brand new 2020 187 RB Apex. We're going to start off going over the interior and we'll finish off on the exterior. Follow me inside. This is one of our best selling small trailers. Apexes are extremely popular. They are built with Azdel among a couple other high-end trailers. So that's a very good aspect of this trailer. It does have the front window to let in some extra light. You've got the full walk-around queen with underbed storage here. It is separated from the pass-through storage in the front. You still have that, your stuff's just not going to mix together. As we look to the back of the trailer, on the passenger side of the vehicle, we've got the dinette here. Nice booth, plenty of room for 4 people to sit around and have a meal. This can also be made down into a sleeping area. Probably going to be good for 1 person or maybe 2 small children, but 1 adult. Across from the booth, we've got a nice kitchen here, double sink. We've got good storage up above here and below. Our furnace is right here. We've got a microwave included in this trailer and a 2-burner stove. Fridge freezer combo here towards the back. Some more storage above and to the side. Nice pantry here. And then in the rear of this trailer, we have the bathroom. So we've got a good size shower here. We do have a medicine cabinet as well, and a sink with storage below the sink, and then a great storage area here across from the shower. Got hanging storage here, and then some cabinets here, as well as another one below. So very good storage. Nice, great little trailer. So we're going to finish off this video by going over the exterior features. Follow me. Okay, everybody seems to really like just the color scheme they've gone with Apex. They haven't made a lot of changes over the years. They've got a lot of that gray and blues in it, and it looks sharp. Electric awning covers the majority of the trailer. Outside speakers, dark tint on the window, so good for keeping the light out and your furniture's not going to get sun bleached. We've got some 110 power here on the outside. Corner stabilizers all the way around. Full-size spare. And we've got the gutters on all 4 corners too. Nice for carrying the water away from the trailer, prevents streaking down the side. We've got all our hookups right here in the back corner, so that makes it real easy. We've got cable satellite, city water connection, black tank flush, outside hot and cold shower. To the left here, we've got the water heater. Below, we've got our black and gray dump valves. This is your low point drains for hot and cold. If you want to dump your water, your 30-amp power cord will connect right here. It is included with the trailer. It's just a removable cord, so it's probably inside right now. This is the back of the fridge, so you've got some access there. Furnace exhaust. This does get hot, just so you know. And then up front here, if you're going to go do some dry camping and be off the grid, this is where you'll fill up your potable water. And then we've got a pass-through storage bay here. Let's see. There we go. They do attach on magnets. And there's your power cord right there. So all the way through, that's underneath the bed there in the front. And as we come around to the front, you can see, get one last look at this front cap. Again, this is a 2020 Apex 187 RB. It's made by Coachmen. My name is Jason Fairchild. I really appreciate you taking the time to watch this video. If you have any questions or concerns, please don't hesitate to give me a call. You can reach me directly at 541-228-6057. Thank you very much. Have a great day.